we can take the basics that we learned just a little bit further. If you click on the input box, you're going to get several different options to start other than on, start, and forever. For example, if I grab this on button A pressed, I can have it coded to do something when button A is pressed. I can also change it to be when button B is pressed or if button A and B are pressed together. So if button A and B are pressed together, I can have it show a picture of a heart right now or anything else I choose. Also under input, there are some things that require actions. In this example, I've dragged the on shake box over. I can change it to be a variety of things. If the logo side is up, which is the side you see over here, I can have it do something. If the logo side is down, I could have it do something. If I tilt the screen up or down or tilt it left and right, I could have it do something. If I accidentally drop it or it's in free fall, it can do something else. I don't recommend this one though. There's also 3G, 6G, and 8G. If you've ever watched space videos, they talk about gravitational force, and that's all that this is. If you swing the microbit really quick, you can create G-force, 3G being little, 6G being moderate, and 8G being quite a bit. I'm going to leave it at shake this time. And I'm going to say that I want a string to say hello. I can actually put something in the on start, press A and B, and on shake and have them all repeat at the same time. I could also even just drop in another input box for just A, or just B, or both. We also have this pin option. We are going to skip the pin option because that requires another piece of equipment that we don't have. I can go ahead and check my device and see if things are working by shaking it, which is kind of what I was doing. I could also hit this on shake button, or I could use this press A and B. It's a simulator because I actually can't hit A and B with the click of a mouse, but it is showing the heart like I did click it. I don't have anything attached to the A button, so if I click A, nothing is going to change. When you're finished with your project, don't forget to save it and download it into your microbit.